Peniche, baby! I took toll-free route from the potential farm to Peniche, and it was super difficult in the beginning. Crazy serpentines, crazy inclines, just crazy. And it was quite pretty though, and then it got a bit easier and much more beautiful. Or maybe it didn't get easier, but I just got used to shifting gears and driving like crazy. So I made it to Peniche in 1 hour 25 minutes or whatever, and the weather is so beautiful. I think it's like 22 degrees, full sun, so it feels warmer. And I have to bathe in the sea because I'm dusty and sweaty from the whole day. But I'm just so excited to be here and to soak in all this beauty. Pretty dunes. It should be also pretty fat beach. I can see people swimming in the sea, so it's good. Baby, it's so perfect. People are swimming over there, and there's lots of people on the beach, and the waves are very calm, so I'm looking forward to be clean. Super nice here. What the fuck? Oh, bad vibe. I mean, beds. Sending kisses. Nasturtium does so well in Portugal. Love it. Tastes so good. Produces all the time. Clearly it survives the winter here. I saw some in Santarém as well, which I think gets a bit colder over winter. Maybe it's the same. It's like 4 degrees average minimum in January. So that's cool because I want a lot of it. And this is a chimney of a tiny house. Look how small the houses were. It was just basically one room. Bam, bam, bam. What is that? Like 15 square meters, 20 square meters? Love it. So simple. What else do you need if outside is always nice? Cool terrace. Someone is flying a drone over heavily inhabited area. Lols. And some places have like tiny gardens, but most streets are like super sterile. And I was just thinking, they had a bunch of potted plants and recycled their grey water. Could be paradise. It's still pretty nice, but I just get this vibe that people in Portugal in general don't really care about plants, or maybe it's the water management that they care about plants but they don't want to use water they have, either drinking water or water for irrigation, for decorative plants. So that's strange. I would say, like, for country that's so dry and hot, you would think that they're better at water management, but they're not. But maybe they just think of it differently, because technically they have a lot of water, they have a lot of good quality fresh water, so they never needed to conserve too much. But I guess it's also a good idea not to waste it, so they evolved this culture. But yes, I'm planning to recycle my grey water a lot, compost the human manure, build the soil. So the place I'm thinking of buying has a very heavy clay soil, and basically adding a lot of organic matter and maybe a bit of sand could make it really nice over the years. We'll find out. They have very cool roads in Portugal. Some of them don't make any sense at all. Some of them are quite smart. This one is definitely not smart. So you cross onto the field, walk by the road, I mean on the actual road, and the pavement continues over there. It's also been some crazy intersections while driving. It's like, some are really dangerous actually. And I feel like some are clever solutions, but mainly bad. Also, most places people drive like crazy here. I find that here in Peniche people are more chill. They stop for pedestrians and it's like nice. But yeah, people are way too crazy. Like in turns they cross over to the next line even though there's a car coming in the anti-sense, and like really dangerous stuff. They're going way too fast, like even if it's 90 or like, yeah, it's 90 and let's say you're driving 110, someone will drive up to you in crazy speed and like tail you maybe like 2 to 5 meters apart behind you, trying to overtake. It's like insane, which is also so dangerous because we're already going everyone's going above the limit. Like they're so fucking close that if something happens, like if there's an animal jumping onto the road, they will crash into me 100%. Yeah, it's mental. So I don't love the culture and I don't love how people are. I feel like most people are neutral and some people just act like they're evil, like you're bothering them. by breathing their air, taking their space. But all in all, I haven't spent in Portugal more than, I think, 2 weeks, so maybe I'm missing something. But yeah, the first impressions are like that. Shouty neighborhood. I appreciate the small green areas. Still, I haven't found any tap, like public drinking water tap or spring that are quite common in Portugal. I'm sure it's somewhere in Peniche, at least one must be. It's quite a big town actually, so probably several. And I have enough water for like 3 days, maybe 4 days, so it should be fine. And I'm going to a store and back and get some. It's a bit difficult to get to that store. I'm following Google Maps, but there might have been a better way, but I didn't care to try it out. So there was a much better way, because I already took a way that shouldn't exist. I should have come from there, but it's very well connected there. And it would be shorter if I came from that direction, but I walked around and came here. So Google Maps don't know everything. They do know a lot, but it does not know everything. So let's get some candy. Intelligent crossing.